This is the flood from the storm that just happened.
Yeah, there might be a dip.
Well, there's the curb. When we're in the grass, we can't really tell.
Now it's on the curb.
Yep, on the curb again.
Oh. Look at that. I just filling up.
Anyways, this is the weather report from
It's
Bethany.
wet.
Yeah. Chances are that it's going to be really sunny today, and it's going to snow soon.
I'm going to take us away.
My pants are like 5 different colors now because it's all soaked. And people are looking at us like we're retards because we're walking in the flood and everybody else is driving.
They're the losers. They're going to get stuck while we're still mobile.
Woo! Anyways, look at all that nonsense.